Hello, beautiful soul. Before the world asks anything from you, before the noise, the rushing, the responsibilities, this moment is yours. Find a comfortable position. Maybe you're sitting by a quiet window with a warm cup of tea nearby. Maybe you're still wrapped in soft blankets. Or perhaps you're taking a slow walk beneath the gentle morning light. Wherever you are, allow yourself to arrive here fully. Not as the version of you that needs to perform or prove. Just you, breathing, existing, beginning again. Take a slow, deep breath in and softly let it go. Again, breathing in the freshness of a new morning. And exhaling the heaviness of yesterday. Notice how the morning feels around you. The quiet stillness, the softness in the air, the feeling that life, somehow, is gently opening its doors once more. You do not need to carry yesterday into today. The doubts, the mistakes, the conversations replaying in your mind. For now, let them rest. This morning is not asking you to have everything figured out. It is simply asking you to begin. And somewhere deep within you, beneath the overthinking, beneath the pressure, there is a calm and steady light waiting to rise. Bring your awareness to the center of your body, just above your stomach. Imagine a small golden light resting there. Warm, soft, gentle like the first sunlight touching the earth at dawn. You don't have to force this image. Simply allow yourself to feel warmth spreading slowly within you. With every inhale, the golden light grows brighter. With every exhale, tension begins to melt away. The fear of not being enough, the hesitation, the constant need to second-guess yourself. Let the warmth hold it all with compassion. You have spent so much time trying to be strong for everyone else. This morning, allow yourself to simply be supported by your own breath. Your own presence, your own quiet strength. You are not behind in life. You are not failing. You are growing in ways that cannot always be seen. And just like the sunrise never rushes, you too are allowed to unfold gently. Take another slow breath in and imagine the golden light becoming warmer now, stronger, steadier. As it spreads through your chest, your shoulders, your entire body. Notice what it begins to soften within you. Maybe it softens the voice that tells you you're not ready. Maybe it softens the pressure to always have the answers. Maybe it softens the exhaustion of carrying too much for too long. You do not need to fight yourself anymore. The version of you that was scared, uncertain, overwhelmed, deserves love too. So instead of pushing those parts away, imagine holding them gently, like sunlight touching cold skin after a long winter. And quietly within yourself, repeat, I am allowed to begin again. I am allowed to trust myself. I am allowed to take up space in my own life. Let those words settle softly into your heart. Imagine now that this golden light is rising within you like the morning sun. Not harsh, not overwhelming, just steady. A confident, grounded energy. A feeling that says, I can handle this day. You don't need to become someone new. You are simply reconnecting with the strength that was always inside you. Feel your spine gently lengthen. Feel your breath deepen naturally. There is life moving through you. There is wisdom inside you. There are dreams within you that still deserve your attention and care. And even if you felt disconnected lately, even if life has made you tired, your light has not disappeared. It was only waiting for you to come back to it. Breathe into that feeling now, the feeling of returning home to yourself. As this new morning unfolds, You do not need to carry urgency into every moment. Today does not have to be perfect to be meaningful. Instead of asking yourself, what do I need to achieve? Quietly ask, how do I want to feel today? Maybe the answer is peaceful. Maybe grounded. Maybe lighter. Maybe simply present. Allow that feeling to settle into your body now. Imagine the golden light wrapping around you gently, like warmth on a cold morning, protecting your peace, steadying your heart, no matter what today brings. You can return to this breath. You can return to this light. You can return to yourself. And that is enough. Take a moment now to picture yourself moving through your day with softness and confidence. Not rushing, not proving, not constantly doubting every step. Just present, steady, alive in the moment. See yourself speaking kindly to yourself today. See yourself pausing when needed. See yourself allowing joy into small moments. Sunlight on your skin, music in the background, a deep breath between tasks. Life is not only made of big achievements, it is also made of these quiet moments where you finally stop abandoning yourself. And this morning, you are choosing differently. You are choosing to meet yourself with compassion, to move through the day with intention instead of fear, to believe that maybe, just maybe, you are already enough exactly as you are. Now take one final deep breath in, filling your body with warmth, light, and possibility. And slowly exhale. Feel the surface beneath you. Feel the morning around you. Feel yourself here, alive, beginning again. The sun rises every morning without questioning whether it deserves to shine. And maybe today, you can allow yourself to shine a little too. Carry this warmth with you. Carry this softness. Carry this confidence into the rest of your day. And remember, no matter how many times life becomes heavy, there is always a light within you waiting to rise again.